Hi! In front of me is Motorola G54 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into settings and tapping on connected devices right away. Then select connection preferences, click on printing and default print service. Now just wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use different service, you can always disable this one. Go back. Tap on Add Service and install the best one for your printer. In my case, HP one. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings. Then click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!